This is an exercise that deals with volume. The height of a box is 1 less than its length, and the length is 2 more than its width. Find the volume in terms of the length. Well, let's let L equal the length of the box. Now, we're told that the height is 1 less than the length. So the height is going to be 1 less than L, or L minus 1. And the length is 2 more than the width. And we want to express all of these in terms of the length because that's what we're asked to do, find the volume in terms of the length. So if the length is 2 more than the width, that means the width is 2 less than the length, or L minus 2. So we have a box whose dimensions in terms of the length are L, L minus 1, and L minus 2. And we can find the volume. The volume of a box or of a rectangular solid is length times width times height. So we'd have L times L minus 2 times L minus 1. And we can multiply. I'm first going to multiply L times the quantity L minus 2, and I'll get L squared minus 2L, and that's multiplied now times L minus 1. And now I'm going to use FOIL to multiply these two binomials. The product of the first two terms is L squared times L, or L cubed. The product of the two outside terms is L squared times negative 1, which is negative L squared. Negative 2L times L gives me minus 2L squared, and negative 2L times negative 1 gives me plus 2L. And I see that I have two L squared terms here that I can collect. So we get that the volume is equal to L cubed minus 3L squared plus 2L.